Good morning. My name is Nuria Merlano. Oral presentation, English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experience in Minca. 3. The weather in Minca. Before finish, recommendation is you to Minca. This is me. I am Nuria Merlano. I was born on Barranquilla. I live in Puerto Colombia. Among my hobbies, I like to clean, work, cultivate flowers. My trip experience in Minca. My trip to Minca. I want to share my experience in Minca. It is a nice place in Santa Marta. I went there 1 year ago. I traveled with my niece and 2 friends of my niece. I spent 7 days in a cabin. I visited the waterfall on the river. The weather in Minca. The weather was warm, but at night it was cooler. I went in March and it was sunny, similar to summer and spring. Minca is a great place to watch the birds, listen to the water running, and eat healthy food. I recommended to take water, comfortable clothes, and blankets. Recommendation: what you should do. The recommendation when visiting Minca are the following. For being an exotic place with exuberant vegetation and humid, it is vital to take 1. Comfortable clothes and loose, no accessories to the body. 2. People should must visit it in the low sun. 4. Leaves, animals, minerals, and plants in their natural habitat. 5. People should walk along swiftly and symbiotic trail. 6. People should be respectful and humble with the inhabitants of the territory and tourists. 7. People should use sunscreen. What you should not in Minca. People should not go to Minca in winter. People should not leave cigarettes in the forest. People should not be alone on the roads all night. People should not stop when bathing in the river. People should not take vegetation from the place. People should not eat near the gullies and rivers of the place. People should not put loud music on the walk. People should not stay a long time in the cold water on the river that comes from the Sierra Nevada. People should not ignite camping fires in the forest. People should not throw garbage into the river of water shores. Thank you.